here with Rachel.
Hello.
Thank you, Rachel, for being with us today.
Nice to meet
and
you.
Thank you for hosting us here. Your company, please tell us about your company, like the name and what's the story of your company.
Hello, good morning. Our company name is Xiaoshangwang Toys, and our factory was built in 2002 years. So already more than 20 years trading experience for the toys. And our factory is in Guangdong Province, Shantou, Shantou.
Which kind of certification do you have?
We have most of the European and USA market certification, such as EN71, EN62115 RoHS, and 6P, and ASTM.
So which is your main market usually?
For the European market.
European market,
Yeah.
okay. So what is the hot selling?
Yeah, this hot selling is this one, robot.
So you have a remote control.
Yeah,
Can we show the
remote control. Yeah, and singing, dancing.
Oh, please, let's see how
Yeah.
we dance and sing.
Like a very good friend for the children. We have a new function is can AI instruction. When you say forward, the robot can do it. Yeah.
Okay. So what is the MOQ for this one?
If in our factory package, that is okay. There is 6 pieces in one carton, so like 100 pieces is okay.
So 100 pieces, okay. Can this be customized, like the color?
Yeah, it's okay. We made most of that to some our European clients. They can change the color, the language, and also can change the package. That is okay.
Also the package.
Yeah, the MOQ is 1,000 pieces to change.
Okay, so for customizing, it's 1,000 pieces. So while if they buy not customized just by the normal design, it's just 100 pieces.
Yeah.
So and now it's time to see the new product.
That is our new in display.
Wow,
And very cute shape. You can see.
it looks really like a dog.
Yeah.
And this is the remote control. So what this dog can do?
We can show it. It can do the somersault. And most of our clients are searching for this kind of toys in this year. And also can stand up, sit down. Shake the hands.
So basically you can dance and move. It's nice. So what is the MOQ for this one?
That is okay. Also, even such as 50 pieces is okay.
Okay.
Because we want the clients to try to sell it, and then they can reorder for it.
Yeah. So this one, because it's a new product, so they can test it and they can test it and so take a smaller amount of products to test it if you can sell it, and then you can order more. So how can they contact you if they want to order from your company?
Yeah, this is my web shop. You can add our web shop, and we can send you the information.